Hi, welcome to GarageDoorWeatherSeal.com. This is a brief video on one of our aluminum garage door bottom retainers. This particular retainer measures 2 inches by 2 inches, great for a 2-inch thick door. Mounts by screws right in the bottom, up into the bottom of the door. This retainer accepts 1/4-inch T weather seal, as do all of our retainers. It's very standard. Retainer accepts the weather seal as such. There's your seal. These come in 55-inch lengths. We carry these in stock at all times. We ship 6 days a week. We have other options for you too. Check them out. Thanks a lot.